Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making cheesecakes and one baklava. Enjoy. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We will begin by making a filling. Place softened cream cheese in a mixing bowl. Add sour cream, sugar, salt, a little bit of salt. Then blend or whisk. Add eggs and mix. Add lemon or vanilla essence, whichever essence you would like to add, and mix. Add a little bit of flour and mix. This is optional to add flour. Collect from the sides of the bowl and mix. We are done with the filling. Let's prepare the structure. Fit in 2 sheets of phyllo pastry in a pan and brush them with melted butter. Brush the overhangs as well so they do not burn in the oven. Sprinkle ground nuts. I'm sprinkling here walnuts. Then I follow with another 2 sets of phyllo pastry. And I repeat the same process. Here I'm making pleats so that it fits in well. Don't mind it if it breaks. You can close it by pushing or maneuvering it to close, or use the pieces that you will cut from the overhangs to close the open spaces. The last 2 sets of phyllo pastry sheets. Fit them in. Once it's fitted in, drizzle the phyllo pastry with butter, then pour your batter into the pan. Level the top of the batter, then trim the excess overhang. Now that I have made this baklava, I will trim it up till the top of it and not try to tuck it in. We'll see later. Brush the overhangs with butter. Then tap the pan a few times. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Let's make syrup. In a pan, add water, sugar, stir. We're cooking on medium heat. Then add syrup. You're doing this 5 to 10 minutes before the baklava gets out of the oven, so that it stays hot and the baklava will be hot too. Drizzle the syrup, the hot syrup, on the hot baklava. Then cool them to room temperature first. Then set them overnight in the fridge or for 8 hours. Once set, sprinkle nuts on top. Serve it cool. When you're cutting your baklava, wipe the knife in between the cuts. It was so delicious, so luxe, so smooth. Please try it. Hope you enjoy it. Let's make raspberry cheesecake. In a bowl, add softened cream cheese, sugar, and cream, both the cream cheese and the sugar, until they are smooth. You may use a hand blender or a wooden spoon. That's more like it. That's how creamy it should be. Now beat in eggs, add vanilla extract or vanilla paste or essence if you don't have, and mix until smooth. This is the consistency we're looking for. Add flour to your fruit so that it doesn't sink into the bottom of the batter. And when you mix gently so you don't break the fruit. Add lemon zest into the batter. I forgot to record that. When you mix gently until the fruit is incorporated or blended into batter. Now we're using a 22 centimeter spring foam baking pan, and we butter it or grease it with butter. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to help the channel grow. Add the batter into the baking pan, greased baking pan, and tap a few times to remove air pockets. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Please check the description box for more details on these recipes. Once the cheesecake is cool, garnish it with raspberries and mint. That is optional. Cut the cake and enjoy. I am salivating even right now. Please kindly press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value on this video. Let's make berry cheesecake. Let's start with melting of gelatin. Add gelatin powder to tap water and mix. Wait for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, crush sweetened cookies or biscuits and pour them into a mixing bowl. Add melted butter and mix until it looks like crumbs or sand. In a baking pan, place your crumbs, then compact them as shown in the video and put them in the fridge whilst you prepare the filling. Once the gelatin blooms, put the bowl on top of cold water in a pan and warm them on medium heat until the gelatin is melted. In a mixing bowl, cream, softened cream cheese, and sugar. I am mixing with a spoon first so that the icing sugar doesn't fly all over the place. Then blend with a hand blender or a wooden spoon. Please remember to press the like button and leave a comment below. In another bowl, add whipping cream, the gelatin that's melted, then blend them together until soft peaks. Then pour the whipped cream into the cream cheese mix and mix them together. Thank you so much for your support. Please kindly watch until the end. We're blending for just about 2 minutes and it's ready. We pour the filling into the base, our base, cookie base that was in the fridge, and level the top. You may use the back of the spoon to level it. Cover the cake with a cling wrap and set it in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Let's make the berry sauce. Zest 1 medium lemon, then chop red berries. I've used strawberries and raspberries. On medium heat in a pan, cook berries mixed with sugar, water, and lemon zest. Stir in between. Add cornstarch and mix. It will cook for about 8 minutes max. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. You may squeeze fresh lemon juice and strain the seeds. Once it bubbles, switch off the heat and crush some of the fruit. Cool the sauce entirely. Here I'm explaining what happened to my cheesecake. It fell. Pour the sauce on top of the cheesecake and let it drizzle to the sides. Here I was helping it to drizzle. I hope you have enjoyed these recipes. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.